here, 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 and here. But we only have 2, so we'll just take out 2. Ugh, a little oily there. Blunk. Not sure how well you'll be able to see this, but Nissan seems to have used some sort of plastic crush washer here, or maybe it was the previous owner, but in any case, I'm not confident in the seal on this, so I'm gonna go and buy a replacement here. So what I did was I cut straight down on this, and then tried to split it. So I'm just gonna come in here with our prying screwdriver and break it off. That I do not trust to seal an oil pan. And then let's hope that my new copper crush washer does a bit better for us here. I have to imagine it will. One of the few things I actually like about working on these trucks is how high they are. Like, I don't even have to jack this thing up at all. I just roll it up to the garage, get out the creeper, and send it. Oh yeah, feels good. And that looks pretty good to me. So, I guess we'll see if all my oil pours out later, but I feel like a good seal, and it looks a lot better. So, that's good enough for the moment. As always, one of the very best oil change tools you can buy. Look at that, right into the pan, like some kind of professional. So, oiled the gasket there. Now, just So, for my notes, we need to put in about 3.5 quarts of oil. And that cruise control cable is just in the wrong spot for us, so let's see if we can just pop it out. Oh yeah, like that. Well, really? Look at that. Nicely out of the way. And it looks like we're nice and full of oil now. You have to press and slide a little bit on that guy. So here's a reason why you want to keep a close eye on your oil level. That's not enough. Even for the VG33, which has a weirdly small oil capacity, we're substantially below the appropriate oil level on this guy. I don't drive the truck a lot. It usually just gets used for moving large things or friends having to borrow it to pick up some wheels or whatnot. But I need to keep a closer eye on that oil level and see if the new crush washer has resolved it. Hey, thanks for watching our video on doing an oil change on a Nissan Frontier. Hopefully it's been helpful or entertaining. YouTube algorithm would appreciate if you liked and subscribed and pressed the bell and commented and did all the things. So, thanks for watching.